In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter estimated taxes on TurboTax. If you made quarterly estimated tax payments during the year, entering them correctly ensures TurboTax gives you full credit and keeps your refund or balance due accurate. Before we begin, have your payment amounts and dates handy. Bank confirmations, EFTPS receipts, or check images work great. Start by signing into TurboTax and opening your current tax return so you're right where you left off. From the left-hand menu, go to Federal. Then open Deductions and Credits. This is where TurboTax organizes the items that can lower your tax or reflect payments you've already made. You'll land in a section labeled Your Tax Breaks. Scroll down the page and select Add More Tax Breaks. This expands the list so you can find exactly what you need without jumping around. Next, look for Estimated Tax Payments. When you see it, click Start if you haven't entered anything yet, or Add Edit to update what's there. This brings up the area specifically designed for quarterly federal estimates. Choose Federal Estimated Taxes paid for 2025. Depending on the year you're filing, TurboTax may display the year that lines up with the tax season you're working on. Just follow the on-screen year shown for your return. Now, enter the amounts you actually paid each quarter during the year. These are typically the payments due in April, June, September, and the following January. Type the exact dollar amounts you sent for each deadline. If you combine payments or made a catch-up payment, enter what you paid for the periods as TurboTax lists them so the totals match your records. If TurboTax asks for payment dates, enter the actual dates the payments cleared. Using the dates from your EFTPS or bank confirmations helps avoid mismatches, especially if you paid close to the deadlines or scheduled payments in advance. When you're done, review everything carefully. TurboTax will automatically total your estimated payments, but it's important to confirm each figure and date. A misplaced zero or swapped month can change your refund or balance due significantly. Select Continue to save your entries. TurboTax will immediately update your numbers, showing an adjusted refund amount or balance due based on the estimates you just entered. If the change looks larger or smaller than you expected, double-check the amounts and dates you typed to ensure they match your records. That's it. Your estimated taxes are now in TurboTax. Entering them accurately helps prevent overpaying or getting underpayment surprises later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.